Made the beat. Hey guys, so I'm back. So I'm going to be showing you how I got this style with this wig from HairVivi. This wig does not need any bleaching, plucking, anything like that. So I will show you guys how I put the wig on and styled it and all of that jazz and get into all the details on this wig. How the wig comes packaged. Really cute little presentation with the bow and everything. It makes me feel like I'm opening up a bag or something. So this is from HairVivi. Once you open it up, this is how it is presented. It has like paper and everything. It reminds me of like shoes or a bag, the way that it has the tissue paper and everything like that. So inside you do get a slip that tells you all the info on the hair, and then also the hair is wrapped up like this, and it's really kind of like already styled. The hair is already kind of like styled, but I did take it out and look at it, but I just put it back in there the way that it was. So it has this, and then this is the lace on it. So it looks like this, if y'all can see that. Really nice color. It looks like it will match me perfectly. So you can see the parting there on it. And this is a really short bob pixie type cut. This is how it looks on the inside. So as you can see, it does have lace at the top, but then you kind of have this fake scalp in here, kind of like, it's not a stocking cap, it's like material, like fabric that is sewn on the inside. So you don't really have to worry about adding powder and stuff like that to it, or bleaching the knots or anything. The knots were already bleached on the front of it, of course, and also throughout the wig the knots were bleached, so I don't have to worry about doing anything. The only thing I need to do is cut the lace off. And then also on the inside, as far as combs, let me just flip this all the way. Okay, so as far as combs, you do have one comb on this side, you have a comb in the center, and then you also have a comb on the opposite side. And then down at the bottom, you have one large comb in the back to, you know, keep it down in the back. And you also have adjustable straps to tighten it up. And then also, it does have these on there. You don't have to use them if you don't want to, but it is clipped on, kind of like a bra strap. It's going to be really hard to show y'all this, but you basically pull this together, and this is an elastic band, and it's adjustable. It has the clips kind of like a bra, so you can adjust it however short you want it. And then it also does come completely off, so you don't have to use this if you don't want to, but it's a good option if you're trying to do it more so glueless or whatever. So what I'm going to do is cut off the lace on it so that we can see about laying it. I did just cut the lace off, and I just used an eyebrow razor to do so. So I did want to go ahead and tell you guys what it says on the paper. So basically for this unit, this is a new HairVivi wig technique, and you don't need any cornrows. No wig cap or stocking cap is needed. No fake scalp is needed. No plucking and bleaching is needed. So basically this wig is ready to go, fresh out of the box. All you have to do is cut off the additional lace. So I'm going to take my scarf off and we're going to apply it. So for my hair, I don't have cornrows. I just have two little plaits, and that's how I have my hair. So I don't have cornrows. So perfect. So I'm just going to put it on. Let me adjust the straps at the bottom. So this is kind of how it looks as far as the hairline. This is how the wig looks straight out of the box with just cutting off the lace. I hope that I have the back of my hair put up good because it is very short in the back. Let me see. So this is how the back looks. For the most part, you could definitely just put this wig on without having to gel it down or anything. Like, it sticks down pretty good. The hairline doesn't really match mine's perfectly, so I would have to kind of maneuver it to get it to work properly if I was gonna gel it down all the way around. But for me, I would probably just gel down the side that's gonna be out anyways without gelling down the whole thing, because you won't see the side anyway because the bang or the swoop is gonna cover it anyway. So this is how the part looks. And yeah, for this side, I would definitely put like some layers in it and kind of make it, y'all know how I like to do. So I'm gonna just curl it and we'll style it and all of that. If I gel it down, then, you know, I'll do that on camera as well. So I'm just going to take the bang area on this side. And this part is curled a little tight, so I'm going to loosen that up a bit. So just making it a little longer because the bump is kind of tight. Or maybe from it being wrapped up, or the way that I put it back in probably wasn't proper. So it's definitely like a really short bob. Kind of a pixie because the way that the back is cut really short, but it's kind of like a bob also. You can see it's already layered, so I'm going to take these lighter. I'm going to take these shorter pieces and put a curl in them. Just so I can get some layers working in this hair. And kind of curl it. Like that. It's going to go section by section, taking it from the bang and making a curl. I'm just playing around with it because I've never really had a wig probably that was this short, or maybe I did, I don't know. I'm just gonna make some baby hairs just to kind of play around with it and still try to see, you know, what kind of look I can get for it. And it doesn't have baby hairs already cut, so I'm gonna use my razor and cut off a little bit of hair. I'm not gonna do a whole lot, just a little bit, because I'm really just trying to see what this wig is giving, because we're kind of just playing around with this look. Like, this isn't something that I have worked with before, but I wanted to try something different. Okay, doll, so that pretty much ends like how I would style this hair. I really like, you know, more of a stacked, layered, feathered bang type of look. For me personally, I probably would prefer for my part to be on the opposite side, but since it already came parted like this, I didn't want to mess it up because I really just kind of wanted to show y'all basically how the wig comes, and you can work with it from there without having to do so many extra steps. Because for me, I would also pluck a little bit more around the hairline, just a little bit, because I just like mine's a little bit more thinned out. But it definitely works. So if you're new to wigs or whatever like that, the way that this wig was constructed and made, you don't have to do anything. I didn't put any powder or anything, or foundation or a stocking cap or none of that. So it's really ready to go. I just did a few curls in it and stuff like that. This wig is super short for me, so I definitely have to be in a short hair mood to wear this wig. But I definitely wanted to try something different for y'all because I feel like I'm always wearing long hair. So I feel like this really short pixie cut bob is something different and very cute for the summertime, because honey, when it get hot, these long weaves, baby girl, we gonna be burning up, sweating just from the hair. So this is good, especially since we're going into spring and summer. I think it's really cute. I would probably finesse it a little bit more. Like I said, I would probably pluck some more. I might even switch the part to the opposite side or whatever like that. But yeah, I think it came out really cute. I like how everything came already cut. I don't have to cut anything off additional or anything like that. And yeah, I don't know what else to say about this hair. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have other suggestions of other types of wigs and different types of styles you want to see me do, let me know down below, because y'all know I'm ready to try out everything. I want to do some colors and all that jazz. So yeah, I like this hair. I think it's really cute. This is also an option to put it behind your ear, which I think is really cute. And I did not glue this wig down at all. So I tried to make this video as simple as possible and just kind of sticking to the way that the wig came and styling it from there without adding in too many additional steps and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know down below. Comment, rate, subscribe. I love you guys so much. Bye guys.